Great Britain. Right, so I'm on the way now to Part X me Nova for a car that I've kind of always wanted for a while. So I've been offered a good price for this, and I think the time's come for it to move on to its new lease of life. Imagine how high we are now. We've got the posts in the ground to show you how high the snow goes. I'm going flat out at 45 mile an hour nearly, going up this hill. 50. Well, it's the Nova's last journey, last little bit in England it's going to do for a long time. Here we are at the border viewpoint. Yeah, I've still got half a tank here, man.
Oh, well, we'll be siphoning that out before we get rid of it.
Half a tank, price of that these days.
Hey! What are you doing there, lad?
What me stinks that, man.
Stinks of shit, is that you,
That's
Gabe?
you, that.
No, it's like,
speaking.
it's not the field, it's human shit.
No, it's not, man, it stinks. Look where you are. Cow's just chilling in there.
Have you wiped your bum properly?
Black ball.
Continue on A7 for 5 miles.
Oh, it's here on the right. Let's go. So it's got blanking plates on the back. They're for, I think they do rear sun visor for them.
What?
There's two blanking plates, like when you're sitting there, there's like blanking plates are there. And they're for like a sun visor you can get. Oh, what are they? Yeah. You've got like a dream job, I'm jealous. That's the key for the boot. Just get my Porsche key there. Just get my key. Oh.
Has it got Porsche on it?
Aye. Look at the way the boot opens. That's the glass that opens.
Lift it out, let's have a look.
It's all like on.
Spare wheel, it's an alloy, innit?
Oh, that's a spare alloy. Flat tire.
Got the bits and pieces there for you.
Deionised water. Oh, you're cool. Look at this. Hold on, I can't see the mirror, man.
I'm just like surrounded by old Fords.
Oh, look at that, man. Parked there like that.
Bye, Nova. How's that feel?
Cool. Like a Porsche. It's alright, this. Oh, I went on that button, nice.
What size engine's in this?
2 litre 8 valve.
Oh look, it's got gauges.
I know, it's good, isn't it?
Volts, time, and oil pressure.
Where did you put the paperwork?
Got a radio as well. See if the radio works.
I love the rev count.
We'll leave the radio for now.
It's a bit
Good
sporty.
height, good height for racing.
Aye.
Motorsport in mind.
Aye, it's got motorsport.
Like on the sun visor front.
They're a bit. Look at the way that they go together. They're
Does it have double mirrors? Aye. It's got, looks like it's got speakers in the back as well. Nice this, like. Very nice. What's this for then? It's
Was it left here, wasn't it?
What's that?
Windows.
Oh, these are a bit crispy on these. Need a rubber maintenance dear.
Alex in the Porsche.
We need a rubber maintenance dear on these.
People are going to get a shock when they see me in this.
The brown headliner.
Aye, the gears are hard to get used to. I watched the YouTube about that. The one on Wheeler Dealers is like that. Oh, it's got a good nose. It feels like the Merc. Like the 2 litre petrol Merc.
Aye. Similar sort of weight and power.
Aye. I feel.
Nice inside. Oh, that's what that's for.
Aye, so you put your key in.
So that covers the lock, and then you move it to the lock. It's nice. This how small the heater vents are.
Yeah,
We're at the fuel station.
That new thing.
Which side's the top of the thing? It's on the right hand side, isn't it?
Aye.
It should reach. Just going round.
The mirrors are fucking all over the place. Watch your handbrake. Got the bottom release on a switch. Just get out, nice and easy.
Need where to put that though.
On the floor. Half fuel. Costs a fortune, this. Right, border cars now. Had we looked on there how much I'm putting in? So 15 litres is what I put in the Nova, and there was still a quarter of a tank when I got back. What the hell are you going to do?
Welcome to Porsche ownership.
And the boot's come open. So that can't be happening on the motorway.
You just mustn't have shut it properly.
You know?
Right, well, I think it's shut. And we're off again.
All the boots come up again. This is getting dangerous now. Bus is coming past him.
God, didn't it stop there on that thing? Right, get on, go and shut that boot.
There's something wrong with the boot.
Right, I'm going to come and have a look.
Right, you shut it.
I think I've got an idea, look. If we disconnect these struts, they'll stop it from coming up as much. That might not lock in onto the latch, but I think that's going to be our solution. Pull the struts off. The vintage pocket knife. Right, I'll get the other one. That should be alright now. Right then, back on the road again.
So we've done 0.4 of a mile, 2 breakdowns.
Right. Hey, you wee bastard!
And now he's going to have a go at the points. Yes,
Go on.
Let's check the heaters.
Like the loads of stuff come on. Right, in now.
That'll work. Well, there's all your shit coming out. Oh, loads of dust.
Porsche.
First fart in the Porsche.
You know, it wasn't even me who did it, no. Look at this, through Edinburgh city centre, man.
Oh,
You know, we don't do things by halves here.
Smell the food. Smells good.
Right. Hi, do you like my ball? No, you've got to not be obnoxious when you've got one. You've got to be humble. It's like the Nova, you've got to be humble.
You got any choice to be humble in an Nova.
Straight up.
There's a slow one left here.
Oh, you're going. This is like going to be a.
In 100 yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Upper Bow.
Where?
Busy, yeah.
I think we're not meant to be on this road, you know? Stuck in traffic, man. This is Chin's Motorsport. We just get stuck in traffic in Edinburgh. If you told me this time last week I'd be stuck in a traffic jam in a Porsche in Edinburgh, wouldn't be, you know. Temperature's gone up.
So back on the window wiper situation.
So what I think's happened is that when you have the lever all of the way down, that's intermittent. The middle is one up, which is off, and then all of the way up is, you know, full on.
Right, so it's the same as a Mark III Escort, which I figured out the hardware as well. I remember my first day when I ran them.
Nice. Got the pop-up sign on it. I need to see if they've got any screen wash in the washes, because I'm pressing the button but it's not happening. So that's the button. I don't think it's got any.
Oh, yeah.
You know, interesting fact about the Porsches 924s. In the factory, they never changed the orientation of the window wipers from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. So I've got a massive.
So put that on there. Show us a little demonstration.
So look.
So they should, in the little swing to the left, and they should swing to the right on a right-hand drive. We're going to have to write a list of things that we need to give attention to. A few little things, like this, and the wipers. But overall, a pleasant experience for all.
Nice, isn't it?